Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. It's October time guys, and around this time what Adobe always do is give us new tools, updates and tricks to use within their softwares, and obviously Photoshop is no different from any of the others. So they've implemented some really cool new features to Photoshop. There is one I'd like to talk to you about today, and that is based within our camera raw filter option. Okay, what we're able to do is now select individual people and start to manipulate in tones, contrasts, whatever, to those particular people. So let me show you what I mean. As we see here, we've got an image of a family with 3 people in. And what I'm going to do is just unlock that layer, convert this layer into a smart object by right-clicking on the layer and convert to smart object. And with that layer still highlighted, I'm now going to come to filter, camera raw filter. Now these are all pretty standard. These have been here for a while, but the new options I'm talking about here, if we come and enter into our masking option, like so, is this section here, people. Now what's currently happening at the moment is Photoshop is reading the image and trying to find the people. And as you can see, they have now understood that there are 3 people within this particular image. Now what we can do is, let's say for instance we wanted to manipulate person 3 here. If we click person 3, it's setting up our masking options here. So what it's allowing me to do is to manipulate the lips. I can do face skin, body skin as well, I think would be wise. And let's leave the hair. So now if we say create, now as you can see, all I'll be doing is manipulating those particular sections within our image here. Really, really cool option that you can use to really start to play with your imagery. Saturation, as you can see here, we can change the hue, turn it into an alien if you wanted to. And now if we scroll down here, let's press OK. Let the camera raw filter do its work there. And as you can see, it's added a smart filter because we added a smart object. And if I turn that on and off, you can see the difference. Really cool new feature they've implemented within the camera raw filter options. So just have a play and you'll be able to really create some unbelievable stuff. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.